For today's lesson, we're going to kill two birds with one stone here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Voki avatar, and then I'm also going to show you how to place that avatar into a Smart Notebook file. So to start creating your avatar, first thing we want to do is we want to go to voki.com, V-O-K-I.com, and we're either going to create an account. It is absolutely free. You do need to have an email address. Or if you've already got one, we're going to go ahead and log in. So I'm already got my username and password set. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once I've logged in, you're going to have this button right here that says create a new Voki. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new Voki. It's going to take a second here to load. And what I need to do is from here I customize my character. As you can see, I've got some color choices here. I'm going to go ahead and pick a different person. And let's say in this case, I'm going to go with a shark. Okay, and I can move the shark around inside the Voki. I can use the controls. I can make them bigger. I can make them smaller. All different kinds of things there. Depending on, in this case, because I'm using a shark, I don't have other styles, but I could have hair, mouth, features, mustaches, things of that nature. Clothing, I can even put some different things on them. So let's actually do a quick switch here to just male. We're going to go with our wizard. Okay, move my wizard around. As you can see, I've got a couple different hairstyles. I can change his mouth. So we've obviously got the excited mouth. I go to the thin lips, things of that nature. I'll keep the big mouth. Put a mustache on him if I wanted. I can change up his clothing, and we can change his hat, and we've even got some things, so I could put different glasses on him. In this case, sunglasses, because everybody looks cool in sunglasses. I'm going to put an amulet on him, things of that nature. So I'm going to go ahead and hit done. From here, we're going to skip this for a second, and in backgrounds, I can change my background. In this case, let's say he's chilling on the beach. I'm going to make him a little smaller here. I'm going to put him over here. Okay. Now from here, I can decide, do I want to upload an audio file I've already created? Do I want to use my microphone that's on my computer? I can actually call in if I don't have a microphone on my computer, or I can text. I can actually type what I want him to say. In this case, we'll go ahead and use the typing feature since I'm using the microphone to talk to you. In this case, I can just say, hi, my name is Merlin, and I am here chilling on the beach. What are you doing? Okay. I can create accents, things of that nature. I can put some effects with it, things of that nature. But in that case, I'm just going to go ahead and hit done. Now that I've customized my character, told it what to say, changed the background, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to publish this guy. So I go ahead and hit publish. I name him, so I'll just call him Merlin, and save. So it takes a second to process. Obviously, the more audio, the more things of that nature, the longer it will take to do that. So I'm going to hit and close. Now, from when I'm done, what do I want to do with it? In this case, because I'm talking about embedding this into Smart Notebook, I want the embed code. Okay, so it's right there. So now if I even go, now later, we're going to skip back here. I'm going to go to my Voki. So later when I come back and want to utilize Merlin, after, because I recorded this somewhere else, what I can do is I can click on Merlin, and then right up here I have add code to your site. Sorry. Publish your Voki. Sorry. So I have my embed code. Once I click on it, it's been copied, or I can hit copy again. It'll actually copy it. Now I'm going to go back into Smart Notebook. And if you have a Google site, whatever, those embed codes work. But since I'm going to do this in Smart Notebook, I'm going to go to my gallery. I have already downloaded my Voki Widget, which is available on the Exchange right here. For those of you who need it, if we go to exchange.smarttech.com, okay, we go to file type, widgets. And the Voki widget is actually right there. We can download it and I'll put it in a notebook. So I'm going to take the Voki widget. I'm going to throw it on the page. Now you'll notice there's this white box here. Make sure you click in the box. If I were to paste right now, it would paste right up. It would actually paste right up here. I'm going to click in the white box until you see the blinking cursor. I'm going to hit Control V. I'm on a PC, so Control V is my paste. You know, you want to do Open Apple V on a Mac. We want to paste. You'll see all this code here. And all I'm going to do is hit Go. Give it a second. And there is Merlin. So if I click on play.
Hi, my name is Merlin and I'm here chilling on the beach. What are you two doing?
So now we've got Merlin talking. So now you can use this in your notebook file, save it. Now just one thing to keep in mind, you do need to have an internet connection. This did not load it straight onto the web page. This is actually just calling the website of Voki.com. So without an internet connection, this will not work. So hopefully that helped you create a Voki and put it into a notebook file. Thanks.